And that's it, bro. Yeah, the car doesn't start, man. Damn. We don't have one project only, but guess what? Hey yo, what is going on, you 2 minutes awake hell? And I'm back with another banger, baby. And today we have a very special episode because today I'll be introducing to you our very own project, Mark 2, baby. And we're on the street. There's a project Mark 1 build off going on in South Africa. So I'm like, how about I pull up with my Mark 2 and show these niggas how this is done. Right? Yeah. Okay guys, today's video is very simple, right? So today I'm gonna take y'all through the car and show y'all what has to be done, what's my plan, what's my strategy, and all of that. Because I'm coming for these niggas, bro. Like, just believe me, nigga, I'm coming for these niggas. So I'm gonna show y'all the current condition of the car and what I want it to look like. Right? So, yeah, man, without any further ado, let's get into the video, baby! Okay, so I think the first thing I want to show y'all guys is the interior, right? But before I show y'all anything, I want to tell y'all a quick story about this car, right? So as y'all can see, the car is black, right? But I actually did this myself, right? But then that was way back then, boy. I was still like learning panel beating, paint work, like bodywork in general, right? So I learned it, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna start this whole car fresh, or like literally from bare metal. That's what we're gonna do. That's guaranteed. That's what I'm gonna do myself, right? Because even like how it's currently looking right now, because it was originally red, right? So if you follow me on TikTok, you probably saw what I was doing with it. So I took it from red to this black you are seeing right now, but I'm not quite happy with the finish, so I'm just gonna redo the whole thing. But not only the paint though, talking about paint, interior, mechanical, engine bay, everything, bro. Like, so yeah, man, I'm gonna keep this video short. Let me just take you guys through the car, show you how the car is looking currently, show you all the interior, how it's looking, and all of that. So yeah, man, let me show you guys what's going on with the car. Okay, so starting with the interior, right? So this is how we're looking, bro. The interior is not literally that bad, but the panels, yeah, I'm not happy with the panels and everything. The roof lining though, the roof lining looks fresh. Like it has some bubble stuff here, so man, yeah, it has this bubble stuff here, so we're just gonna have to redo the whole thing also, and the seats also, everything. The dash is cracked. Yeah, there's a lot that has to be done on the car. There's a lot that has to be done. The paint is not that fine. I'm gonna redo the whole thing. This car is gonna be sanded to bare metal, right? So this is how the car is looking. Interior, almost everything is here, boys. We just have to I just have to get to start, bro. Like literally, still got the original rims. There. I tried to spray them gold, but bro, y'all please don't judge me, man, because I was still young, I was still learning at that time, and now I'm back, nigga. Y'all gonna see Cap, nigga. Y'all gonna see what Cap can do with me. So yeah, man, and actually, I don't think y'all can see. I was supporting my hot man here. Fuck. Yeah, but anyway, I was supporting my hot man here. So I can see we have a stand, so shall we? Shout out Mr. Jay-Z. Shout out Mr. Jay-Z too. Alright, but so that's the interior and the body.
Alright, but so this is how the engine bay is looking, and as I said, the car actually doesn't start. I don't know why, but we're gonna crank it just now and see what's the car. I even just put the engine now. And the last thing, and another thing I wanted to show you guys is this right here, is this grill right here, right? So I bought this. This is actually new, bro. Like, this is actually new. I bought this. It's a double light, badgeless, and then we went with the pollen shaft there. But the problem is our frame right here doesn't support two lights. It doesn't support two lights, only supports one. So I'm gonna need a frame with two lights right here, because yeah, it's not gonna work on this one right here. But yeah, man, that's just it. Let me just crank the car and see what's going on, and we'll take it from there. Okay, I just mounted the phone, so right now let's crank the car and see what's going on. And that's it, bro. Yeah, the car doesn't start, man. Damn. But anyway, bro, it's fine still, because anyway, either way, we're still gonna have to like strip the whole engine down and rebuild it from scratch. But currently, the reason for the car not starting, I'm thinking it's full, right? Because we have everything, bro. We have spark. I actually just put like new spark plugs, as you can see. That's actually like brand new spark plugs, bro. Like, all the spark plugs are new. Everything, literally. I can show you, bro. Like, every spark plug. So we definitely have spark. We're definitely getting air. So I'm thinking it's full. Actually, the fuel pump. Right, let me show you how the fuel pump is looking, because I'm suspecting it's fuel pump, because even when I turn the car on, I don't hear nothing coming from this side, because I'm supposed to hear like a young hiss, a young vibration, but I'm not hearing nothing. So it's probably the fuel pump that is wrong. But either way, man, it's fine, even if the car doesn't start now, because we're still gonna have to like strip the whole engine down and then rebuild it from scratch. So either way, it's alright, man. It's alright. So yeah, that's about it. The engine is only cracking, it's not starting, but that's absolutely fine, because we're gonna strip the whole engine down. And yeah, man, so I think what I'm gonna have to start with for the project to like go smoothly, I'm gonna have to like strip everything apart, bro, so that I can see my direction, I can see where I'm going. But for now, man, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it at this. This was just an introduction video. So, and I forgot to show you guys something. Yeah. So we don't have one project only, but guess what? Let's get it. So we got a 23 gents. We got a 23 that are ready to be built. But the VR6 though, the VR6 is complete, man. You feel me? The VR6 is complete. I just wanna like share some young rep on it, a young suspension. We still got an original suspension on it. So you're gonna slant also some lows, nyana, some lows, because we're running 17s, run flats, and the interior also. I also wanna dial some interior plus sound, gents. So you can see the seats are not looking that but yeah, man, unless it's dog, because yeah, the car drives and everything. So let me show you guys something also. The engine bay, let's stop the engine bay. And yeah, man, this is how the intestines are looking. We're running a 2.8 though. Yeah, there's a 2.8. Yeah, but inside the engine everything is fine. So here's just the looks, you know what I'm saying. This car is like, it's like complete. So we're just gonna do some young enhancements here and there, interior, maybe some new wheels just to explore, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, we'll see there. And then sound also. Yeah, I think the next thing I'm gonna do on this car is sound. Yeah, sound. I'm gonna connect sound on it. And yeah, man, the cars are looking fresh, gents. We got a 2 and a 3, man. But the main man is this one, you feel me? Yeah, this is the main man. This one is already complete. This is the OG right here, bro. So yeah, man. Yeah. Let's cook, gents. Let's cook. And the engine bay. Am I impressed? A little bit. Maybe I'll dial the engine bay on this one after this Mark II is like fully complete. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to jump. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, this one so far, man, we can rabatse namo. Like, yeah. So it's just the interior. It's just a polyester seat here. Maybe I might change the color on it. And I was also thinking of sunroof, but I'm not sure. I'll think about it. Maybe some sunroof and starlights. You feel me? So yeah, that's about it. 2, 3. Let me know which one you like. Let me know which one is your favorite right here. We got a Mark II and we got a 2.8 Vora. Ambanye Vor. Yes, sir. Oh, and I forgot something. Hey, the disc. The cars are behind, bro. I'm gonna have to go pay for this disc. This one is expired, and this is also chai. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the traffics. I think maybe tomorrow. Pay for that, and the cars are ready to hit the road. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, maybe I'll even make a video. Like when I go there to pay for them, to pay for both of them. But yeah, everything is fine, man. Happy. So yeah, these are the 2 project cars for the channel. Let me know which one you like. But yeah, man, these are my 2 favorite cars. We got a Rear 6 and a Mark II. So yeah, I even prepared this space right here so that I can put my engine here for the Mark II. So I'm gonna put the engine here while I'm busy rebuilding it, because it's the garage is hectic. I can't work in the garage, you feel me? But yeah, unless we're gonna do everything here. And yeah, man, I'm so happy for this, and I hope you guys are also happy for this project, because it's gonna be hell of a ride, gents. Because trust me, bro, I'm gonna cook on this, cause y'all gonna see, dog. Y'all gonna see, bro. And I hope y'all feel the boy. And yeah, man, let's get to spawn, gents. Let's get to spawn. Showing you guys what we have for the channel. You feel me? And go tell those bros I'm here. Go tell those 2 bros I'm here. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Yeah, man. So that's about it with our project Mark II. This is gonna be crazy, because actually the end goal, bro, I wanna see this car on Campfest 2027, and that's gonna happen. We're gonna take the best Mark II build trophy. Trust me, bro. Trust me, y'all gonna see. So yeah, man, that's about it, guys. This is it for the introduction video. So on the next episode, we'll probably be stripping everything down, putting everything aside, and starting with the project. Right, so yeah, man, if you guys like the project Mark II, if you guys want to support the Mark II, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell, so that you get notified every time I drop, because I'm gonna drop a whole lot of bangers, my nigga, trust me. So yeah, man, this is it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell, and see you guys on the next episode, niggas.